Customer says they found a solution online. They bought a part, and now they're at your shop trying to get their car fixed. How do you handle this problem? Well, we're going to find out how next.
This video is sponsored by Social CRM from Mitchell 1, digital marketing and customer engagement services tailored to auto repair businesses. For more information and a free demo, visit mitchell1.com.
I have gotten a lot of emails recently in regards to customers who find something online and they want their vehicle fixed the way it is in the video or the online advice. But as a shop, you know that 99% of these solutions don't work for the problem the customer has. So what is your solution? How do you prevent this from happening? And how do you gain the trust of the customer so they're not trusting internet information? First of all, you've got to understand you're not going to prevent every single person going online and finding information on how to fix their car. But the one thing you can do, well, you can improve the behavior of your current customers by staying in contact with them and becoming a trusted source for their automotive needs. If you're using a digital CRM and you're storing your customers' information, they have an ability to have your shop create a page for a customer's vehicle that includes the service you performed, upcoming services, and OE recommended services that need to be done coming up in the future. They also have information on how they should take care of their vehicle. What if something goes wrong? That is correct and will back up what your shop is saying. They know to come to you and look for that information and have their vehicle fixed right the first time. I'm Markel. Thank you very much.